In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add music to your Instagram Reels. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to activate your camera. Then turn to Reels mode, and then you can add music to your reel in two different ways. The first way is to add music before recording a reel. So you can hit add to that music sign, and after that you will be able to search for some music here. You can scroll down to see suggested songs just for you, or you can hit add saved to use some music from your saved. You can also import some music from a video file, so you can just upload some video file, and Instagram app will take an audio from that file and you will be able to use it in your reel. Or also you can search for some music. You can tap right here, then in that way search by song or by artist, and then just in that way you will be able to add that reel, and then select the exact part of this song to use it in your reel, and then just hit add done, and after that you can start creating your reel. You can hold down your finger at the record button, and then audio will play at the background, and you can recording your video in that way. And after that you will be able to hit add to next, and then you will be able to tap right here at that music icon, and first of all you can tap at controls, and that's where you can change the volume level of your camera audio and of the song that you have added before recording a video. In that simple way you can increase or reduce volume levels, and then hit add done. Also on that step you can add voiceover for that reel. Just hit add that record button and start recording your voice, then hit add done, and also at controls now you are able to change that voiceover level just like that. Also in here you can select new music and add it after the fact you have created a video. That's the second way how you can add music to your reels. Just select that music, then in the same way select the exact part of that music and hit add done, and that will replace the previous track you have added before recording a reel. So you will be able to hit right here, get into controls. As you can see, there is new track here right now, and in the same way you can change volume level for each of these audio rows, and also you can hit on edit to remove some track from here. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.